Hello, my name is Mrs. Porter, and I'm a teacher at Washington Elementary School. We are going to be going through our sight words for the week. And we're supposed to play tic-tac-toe, but we can't really do that unless we're together. So we're just going to read through and say our sight words and spell them, okay? The first one is after. A-F-T-E-R. After. The next one is before. B-E-F-O-R-E. There's a word there. Before. Before. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Don't. D-O-N''T. Don't. That's a short way to write and say do not. Don't. Grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. Into. I-N-T-O. Into. No. N-O. No. And wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. Those are your words for this week that you'll find in your book that you'll be reading. All right. Now we're going to play with the sounds in words. Okay? The first thing I'm going to do is say some words, and then say some sounds, and I want you to blend the sounds to say the word. Okay? This first one has 3 sounds in it. K-app. What's the word? Cap. Cap. Like a cap is another word for a hat. All right? This word has 4 sounds. K-A-M-P. K-A-M-P. What's that word? Camp. Excellent. Camp. All right. Now, I'm going to say a word, the sounds in a word, and I want you to see if you can find the pictures that are up here to match the words. And if the picture's not up there, then you don't raise your hand. If the picture is up there, you can just put your hand up. Okay? Like this. Pot. What's the word? Pot. Your hand should be up. I see a pot up there. All right, how about this one? Spot. Spot. No spot. All right, let's listen to the next word. Bench. Bench. What's the word? Bench. I hope your hand's up. All right. Bent. Bent. No picture of bent up there. All right. Stove. Stove. Got that one? Hand up. Stove. Awesome. Tub. Yes. Tub. Yes. How about stub? Stub. Stub. No picture of stub. Leap. Leap. That's like a jump. No picture of that. Sleep. 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 Not a picture of sleep. How about vine? Put that hand up. Vine. There is a picture of a vine. And finally, fine. Fine. Not a picture of fine. Good listening. All right, this time I'm going to say the sounds in words. And after you blend it, you're going to tell me the number of the picture, just like this. All right? Chain. Chain. What's the word? Chain. Tell me the number. 4. Super. All right. How about drum? Number 2. Hive. hive. Number 5. Super duper number 6. Ant. Number 1. I see some creepy crawly ants. And snail. Snail. Number 3 is a snail. Great. All right. This time, I'm going to say the words 1 syllable at a time, and you are going to see if you can find the number, okay? This time it's going to be different. Instead of saying all the sounds individually, I'm going to break it into syllables like this. Syllables are the number of beats in a word, remember? All right, so the syllables in the first word that I'm going to do are slip, slip, ers. When I blend slip, ers, which word do I get? Slippers. Awesome. Number 3, slippers. All right. Light, first syllable. Light. Second syllable, ning. Ing. Light, ning. Which the picture? Number 1. Great. Let's keep going. Light, bulb. Light bulb. What's the word? Light bulb. Number 2. Okay. The next one, my first syllable is sweat. 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 Last syllable, What's the word? Number 4. Sweater. Sweater. All right. The next one, trum, pit, trumpet. Number 6, trumpet. All right, the next one, tro, second syllable, trophy. What's the word? Trophy. Number 5. Great. All right, now I want you to look at the word and the picture on the screen. The word is stem, okay? It's pointing to the stem over here. In a consonant blend, each consonant keeps its very own sound, but we say the sounds really closely together, like st becomes st, as in stem. Okay? Now, we're going to blend these letters, and the first thing we're going to do is see these that are close together. We're going to say those in a consonant blend, like this. St, e, p. Now let's put the next 3 together. Step. What's the word? Step. Step. Great. All right, this is another consonant blend. Those letters are close together, and we're still going to hear both of those sounds. Sw makes sw. So we're going to do sw. Okay, now let's put these 2 together. Swim. And finally, when we put them all together, we have swim. Swim. Okay, here's another consonant blend. When you put SP together, you hear sp, sp. Okay? Sp, ill. Sp, ill. Let's put the next letter with it. Put that vowel together. Spill. What's the word? I hope that you said spill. Super. All right, another consonant blend. If you put S and N together, you get sn. So let's add that vowel. Sna. So got that P off there. Snap. And the word all together is snap. Snap. Ooh, this one is a 3-letter blend. 3-letter blend. You're going to hear all 3 of those letters at the same time. Stra, stra, stra. K. Let's put the vowel with it. Struck. Finally, let's put the whole word together. Struck, struck. Great. All right. Now, when you look at these are words that we can look at to blend and read together. Okay? So, when we look at line 1, I want you to look and tell me what you notice about these words. Okay? Hey, I see blends, all S blends in those words, okay? The blends are different, but I notice that all these have S blends. Let's read them. Spot, stop, spell, skill, speck. All right, what about these in line number 2? Let's read those and then let's talk about them, okay? Slid, skin, snap, slip, snack. Great. What do you notice about those? Those have 2-letter S blends also, right? We've got sla, ska, sna, sla, and sna. Hey, a couple of those are the same. Let's read them again. Slid, skin, snap, slip, snack. All right, line 3. That, when, then, than, which. What do you notice about those? Those are some review words that we've read before, right? Those aren't S blends. Let's read them again. That, when, then, than, which. And then finally, these 3-letter S blends on the bottom. Those are a little bit harder, but let's read them. Split, splash, spring, strap. Great. You do not have to leave this slide. You can stay here a little longer, pause your video, practice reading those words at home. Okay? All right, now let's read some sentences. This helps us to be a more fluent reader. Okay? So let's look at this first sentence here. Mom cat slips into the den. Mom cat slips into the den. That's a telling sentence. It ends with a period. The next sentence is a question. See the question mark there at the end? Does the big cat smell a ram? That's a question. Does the big cat smell a ram? Finally, we are going to blend some words together. Now, if you have a pencil and paper at home, you can take that out and make these words with us. Just have a little more time left. So I'm going to blend a couple of these to make words. Let's start here. When you see those 2 words together, what do you say? St, st. Right, it is a consonant blend, S-T, st. Let's add that vowel of O, ah. St, stop. Hey, I can't get my letter over there. It's coming. There's a word you've probably known a long time. Stop. What's the word? Stop. Perfect. All right, let's do another one. Okay, you can write these down if you want to at home. I'm going to do another consonant blend. Sl. I'm going to add an I this time. I. Sl. Id. Slid. And finally, I'm going to use one of these hard ones. Spla. And I'm going to add an A. Spla. Oh, can't do that one. I was going to add a T, but I don't have a T.